points coming from that guy in their previous game. Si Isa Hosseini. Ayan na.
Ayan na yung pumuputok na hinihintay mo dyan. Oo.
Target lock. Busy day again. Busy niyan ng Lourdes. Pasinyo.
Back row. Medyo hindi ko rin na-expect yun, no? Tingnan mo yan.
Grab spike of the set. Wapak.
Diba? Backline yan, pero
Panood nila that past 2 weeks dun sa World Championship. Kaya ay pinaka-paborito to pa naman na si Isa Hosseini scores his first block. Nagkaroon ka kasi ng easy point of comparison na ang Lasal galing sa fifth setter just 48 hours ago as MJ Fortuna scored. Calculating their movements.
right, calculating their movements and probably reserving their energy as Aleo scores.
Hosseini!
That's
One more look.
Gigil.
Yan yung
Uwi niya yung error kanina ni Aliejos. Oh,
Oh, that's an ace!
I told you, service ace.
So far, move it ace of the set. Just in between Eugene Gloria. Yo.
Yes, meron siyang 103 total tournament score.
Enzo Gutierrez! Uy, yung setter!
Yun yung bawi yan. Bibigyan ulit yan ni Gutierrez.
Binigyan niya. Ayun!
Yun.
Tumuloy.
Malaking bawi.
Tarang nagsaserve. Ini, tatlong atakan ng Ateneo. Eugene Gloria.
Yung offer niya dyan eh. Nauna kasi tumalon yung middle.
The thing is, siguradong extra focus dito si Rod Zaleos kasi nakatapat niya si Isa Hosseini na baka bigyan ni EJ Hirador. Binigyan niya! Huli ni Rod!
Na-predict mo,
JMU!
eh nakuha din ni Yu.
Title sa sarili niya.
Like?
Ay, regalo! Ay, sinabi ni Coach Mac de Puelo sa pangalan niya, batas, para siyang social down. Ayaw, tumigil ng... Soft serve! Naku, di nagkaintindihan si Jayan at si JM.
And tournament total score.
One of the top scorers in this tournament in the meantime, Julio Miguel Yu. Check out this play. Kahit hindi pinansin si Carl Corregidor, nakalusot pa rin yung palo ni JMU. Gloria with a drop. Nice dive. And the ball is alive. Naitawid ni Crisostomo. And the play goes on. Eugene Gloria cross and it's long. Laro talaga nila, yung buwis buhay na laro nila, ay lumalabas dito, especially Ateneo at set point. Back throw attack.
Grabing pipe attack.
Gian, block. May coverage. Pasinyo, zone 1. Almost an overpass. EJ Regidor. No good. Gian, blocked by Regidor. And the rally goes on. Free ball for Lasal. Regidor to Gloria. Yes!
Di nagpaawa tong si Eugene.
Vince Mangulabnan has one more timeout to utilize. Let's listen in. Natapos na Lasal. Ateneo offense this time. Emil Pasinyo with a mean hit.
Pasinyo.
Was scrambling for that volleyball.
Right.
Ako, isa pa to.
Service ace.
Joe able to remedy that situation kasi nga nakatatlong ace ang Ateneo kanina. And Emil Pasinyo still continuing. Time Lasal team grab spike of the set through the blockers. Lusot.
Parang na-remedyohan pa lang ng Lasal. Ayan na naman.
Batas. That one will go for Kennedy Batas. Block. Because in that UST game, it was a real headache. Nagtabi pa sila ng Rui Ventura na sila yung pumuputos talaga ng pumuputos para sa Lasal. As Isa Hosseini with that break.
Attack daw pala gusto eh.
Pwede naman bigyan, sabi ni EJ.
Depende sa mood. Ano ba gusto mo sa front? Pero kay coach hindi pwede.
Ay, tulis ng serve kanina. Oh, there's a block by JJ Rodriguez. Also, Hernandez won't risk it. They set it up. Eugene Gloria with a drop too high. Pasillo zone 1. Nice fake. And he scored.
Combination play.
Matupad kaya yung pasa. Combination niya. Natupad niya naman.
Yes, that was a cross.
Trying to expand his options when it comes to his offense. It got through the blockers. It was dug, but it was... Yan kaya ang gagawin dito sa opensa na to. Huli ni Isa!
Isa sa gitna. Pero nangyari, nahabol niya at siya pa ang nakablock.
Ang haba kasi ng galamay. Mil Pasillo, second time to Yoyong. Deflected by the blockers. Umover. Tuloy lang, nag-set si Isa. Pumalo si Rui. Nakakuha ni Lads. Pasillo on the other side.
Lumusot.
Credit to Lasal, they know Pasillo's target. Pero, Amil Pasillo
Talaga nila kasi malapit na, 2 puntos na lang, 25 na.
Huwag na magkamali, maniguro sa mga gagawin. Tulad nitong palo na to na ibibigay kay Julio Miguel. For the set. Hindi kay Gian binigay. And it's good!
Zone 6.
That number, especially for Ateneo. Salarson mentioned earlier in the pregame, 14 points in that Arellano encounter 23 days ago. Roy Vento. Sigurado naman yung kanina pa niya napapanood si Amil Pasillo. May kaliwete pumapalo sa Ateneo. May kaliwete din kami kumura namin. At ako yun, nakikita mo talaga dito na undeniably yung laro ng dalawang player na pinag-usapan natin, umangat talaga.
Oo, totoo.
A nice chase by Gian Salarson. Kennedy Batas will re-attack. The drop-out works Sobra. Kennedy Batas nag-advantage.
Grabe yung attentiveness.
Bumubuo sa magkabilang koponan. Rui Ventura was done. Play goes on. No interference whatsoever. And that rally will end with that Chris Hernandez. May coverage. Gloria!
That was a...
Rui zone 1, blocked by Kennedy. Hernandez is blocked. Nasa loob ng mukha ni Sherwin Retiro. That's why this play goes on. Kennedy Batas! This was the finish. Perfect for the grab. Spike of the set. Targeting Rui Ventura. Set number 2. Started the set number 3. On pace to score double figures. Huli pa! Enzo Gutierrez all fired up. Look. For our grab. Block of the set. Oh, what to play, Enzo. Solid serve coming from Kennedy Batas. Solid swing. On the other side, coming from Eugene Gloria. Oh, Gian is rejected. He had nowhere to go.
block.
Grab block of the set. And that reaction of the block coming from Isa. Pag naka-block, ganun din si Obed.
Sumisipa.
Huli ni Eugene Gloria. Last the Castro could not save it anymore. And then info. Voting runs until October 8. Winners will be known on October 10. Let's crunch the code. Keep cool with Crunch.
Eman Hernandez with that cross.
Ika nga. Ngayon, das Lasal. Showing that dominance. Quite a difficult hit for Amil Pasillo. He's that the problem that Isa Oseni and Rui Ventura poses to the opponents somehow. In this game number 1, the spirit game number 1, yun yung nagiging problema ni Coach Vince. Amil, back row, last day, Castro was there. Kennedy nag-setter, Gian Salarson attacking and prevailing. High school program nasa Ateneo ngayon, entering its second year. Rui Ventura cross-court. Basta kaliwete, primary option talaga cross-court eh.
Right.
Tulad nun.
Kaliwete rin yun lang sila ng Lasal.
Overpass. And the play goes on. Tama lang yung dinaanan ng bola. Pumalo si Gloria. That is good.
Eugene, depensa.
Nakakalusot lang din kasi yung mga palo na Ateneo dito. At itagdag yung error. Tapos yung blocking pa.
Oo.
At tuloy na tayo sa ating set number 4. Salarson rejected. Nung Lunes pa yung dalawang yan. Your 2 points courtesy of Lasal errors should be an opening.
Nakakagul. Na yun ang gusto natin na yun. Diyan ka muna sa likod.
Oo. Pero ang ganda rin ang pinapakita ng JJ Rodriguez dito. But Ramil Pasinio with the recognition.
Hirap humabol.
Oo.
Pinadaan lang sa dalawang blockers niya.
Grab spike of the set. Yung tipong pag nasa attack line na, nasa likod na, pero
Hindi.
Oh, there's an ace!
Yeah.
For Rui in this matchup, our move at ace of the set. Hindi ko may ice cream.
Kaya nga ako mag-volunteer para sa ice cream.
Yun.
Down the line.
Good time. Back set, Rui, zone 1!
Pero usually, binibitawan na ng blockers. Pero kung sa World Champ,
So the attack has 95, all that 95% to send that ball, just like that.
again, back row attack by Rui.
Saan pupunta si NJ? Kay Rui na naman. Out the blockers na habol ni Julio Miguel. Lasal manufactured a shot again. Eugene Gloria cross-score.
Kay Eugene Gloria naman.
Ateneo, they're trying to be creative with their attacks. Parang kung ang ginagawa na nila is they're outsmarting, they're outwitting their opponents, which is working. NJ will choose Eugene Gloria, who has the hot hand. They almost scored. Salarson was checked. Wasini was rejected.
Huling-huli ni Aliet.
Tandaan natin, time and again, volleyball is a game of momentum.
Right.
But Chris Hernandez express our thoughts and send our prayers sa mga kababayan natin na nasa lanta ng lindol.
Kung sino, ito, hindi na matibay yung blockers ko. O, dito ang atake.
Oo.
Open, ganyan, middle. Evan Hernandez.
Off speed. Completely disrupting that offense. But not Ramil Pasinio. Gloria. No good. Nag-alangan si JMU. Rui through the blockers. Dug up. Pasinio. Dug up. Gloria had to be creative. Pull shot, no good. Enzo sending it to Miguel. Wala pa rin. Humahaba ang rally. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang talon, ang pasa, ang palo!
Wow, that was a long rally.
Ang daras din gawin ni Chris Hernandez yung service sa may top spin na gano'n. Mabagal pero may top spin eh. Biglang babagsak yung service.
Oy.
Sila pa rin nakikilos talaga. But Lasal, if anything, they have an answer to every Ateneo move. Serving 22. Still some hope for Ateneo. But JJ Rodriguez has every plan to diminish that Ateneo hope. As far as game 1 is concerned, Gian Salarson gets the point. Almost 43 points given by Ateneo via those errors. Kasi sa atake, meron talaga. Yung mga diskarte ganyan ni Kennedy Batas. Yung palo ni Gloria na tumapos sa laro na to